Bring it back.
Good morning, Panthers. Welcome to the WPNN. My name is Christian.
And my name is Chloe. It's a snowman kind of day to be a Panther.
Students, remember, if you're interested in playing tennis, tomorrow there will be a tennis meeting for anyone who's interested in trying out for the boys or girls tennis teams.
The meeting will be from 3:40 to 4 p.m. in room 113. If you have any questions, please see Coach Edwards.
Panthers, did you know that Miss Doering is looking for short stories, poems, art, and essays for Heritage High's literary magazine?
If you have anything school appropriate that you have written or drawn, submit your work to. When submitting in the subject line, include the following: magazine/category. Last name.
The due date for this submission into the magazine is next Monday, December 19th. We can't wait to see your work in our magazine.
Panthers, we are having a clothing, food, and toiletries drive here at Heritage to benefit the Daily Bread Pantry and Homeless Shelter. This will continue until Friday.
If you would like to donate any new or gently used clothes, unopened food items, and or toiletries, you may bring any of these items to donate during A, B, and C lunch this week.
Students, club photos are scheduled tomorrow and will take place in the auditorium.
Seniors, the senior panoramic photo will take place at the beginning of 5th period in the auditorium tomorrow.
In Heritage Sporting News, our boys soccer team will play West Shore here at home. Junior varsity plays at 5:30 and varsity plays at 7 p.m.
Our boys basketball team will play tonight against Eau Gallie High here at home.
The freshman team plays at 5:15, junior varsity plays at 6:15, and the varsity plays at 7:15.
Panthers, start making plans for this Friday. There will be a Prism concert in the auditorium at 4 p.m. and 7 p.m. Come out to see a fantastic performance.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Go Big Blue!